Well, if you listen to the show at all, you know that I am a big fan of conferences. In fact, just about the time that I took my business full time, I went to my first DJ conference, and it changed my life. It changed the way I look at things. So much so that I go back to the conferences every year. And if you've never been to a DJ conference, you really should find the time to do it. There's lots of them out there. The ones that I've been to the most, of course, the one that I went to first was Mobile Beat, the Mobile Beat Las Vegas conference that happens in March, I believe, this year around St. Patrick's Day, the week before St. Patrick's Day. But there's also a Midwest DJs Live, which is at the very beginning of May, and that happens in Milwaukee. The CDJ, the show up in Canada, that's a great show as well. And a Pro Mobile that happens over in England, and the DJ AA conference in Australia. Now there's more DJ conferences than that, but these are the ones that I've been to and have done a great thing for me. Now, I know that there's a lot of guys out there that have been to these conferences that are listening to me right now. And there's also those of you who've never been to a conference. I've always wanted to go one. Well, first of all, quit saying you always wanted to and just go. It will change you. It will. And number two, those people that go and then either don't go anymore or kind of picky and choosy about how they go, I've never been to a conference that I didn't walk away from being re-energized and re-excited about my business. Ever. I never look at the conference and the speakers and say, oh, I'm going to go to this one because he's going to be there, or she's going to be there, or this speaker's going to be there, that speaker. That's something. You can do that if you want, but honestly, if you are in a room full of like-minded people that do the same kind of work that you do, that are willing to share and talk, you're going to come away a different performer, a better business person with a brand new perspective for the year. Now, I go to a couple of these a year, and I would go to more if there were more because of that energized feeling. So why aren't you? And why did you decide one day that you don't go anymore because it's this or it's that? Something, you can worry about that all you want. I didn't learn anything because all they do is sit up there and talk about, let's do it, let's be better. Honestly, no one's going to teach you in a 1-hour speech. What's going to happen is you're going to get excited, you're going to be inspired, and then those people around you are going to get excited, and then they're going to be inspired, and you've got this group of people that are willing to go out and change the world. This happens if you willingly allow it to happen. And if we want these conferences to continue, we have to go out and go to them all the time. Find your time, put it into your budget, find the money, do what you got to do, but don't not go to these conferences. And these conferences you'll see me at on a regular basis. You want to see me? I'm always at the Mobile Beat conference in Las Vegas. I am always at the Midwest DJs Live in Milwaukee. I want to see you there. So come and shake my hand and say, it's the first time I've been here. Or, hey, Bill, I'm coming back because of something you said. Or, hey, Bill, you're an idiot, but I'm here anyway. I'm good with any of those things. And until then, I will see you either at a conference or next Thursday right here on the Creative License Podcast with Bill Herman. Bye.